I get some deliveries, and this time it is from K&K Food House. K&K Food House offers catering services, but as of the moment, they are selling their best sellers in affordable tubs and in delivery. You can have this creamy white cheese lasagna for only 99 pesos, and this pork spareribs with spice sauce for only 99 pesos also. And now, let's have a slice of this lasagna. Grabe ka generous sa creamy white sauce. And this pork spare rib with spice sauce. Nga murag the sauce pa lang naka-excite na yun ako because I really like spicy sauces. And, perfect. Sakto rin yung pagkahangot. Pumok sa jud kaayo ang meat. Pero onya nakakemura lang lang kag 1 kilo nga rice. Let's dig in sa lasagna guys. Okay. The sauce is really creamy and so cheesy, pero naagihapon ang tomato nga taste sa ang sauce, which I really like. To order, just message K&K Food House in Facebook, and don't forget to brush your teeth after eating, and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and continue to stay safe, stay fit, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!